50 milliliters of water here, and what we're going to do is this is going to be used for the sodium borohydride. The sodium borohydride is going to be the reducing agent for the actual seed, and we need this to be ice cold because if it's warm enough, the reaction will start as soon as I added the sodium borohydride, and it'll start reducing the water. So the concentration of sodium borohydride that I'm going to need is going to be very inaccurate. It's not going to be useful, and the seed's just going to be a waste.
Okay. There's a whole lot of noise going on right now.
It's great.
That's loud.
It's always like this. Remember when it used to not be like this?
Yeah, like this is the first time it's actually been super loud. It's not usually like this for me.
Because people usually leave by the time we get here.
Mm-hmm.
Freeze this. This is going to be in the freezer for the next 15 minutes.
Does it have to be like a certain temperature? Just cold?
Ice cold. As cold as you can get it without it freezing. Here we just continue following the simple protocol that is listed right here.
Yeah.
So we just need to add 1.8 milliliters of CTAB and 1.37 of water. Do you see 1 milliliter pipette?
This one?
No, that's
Smaller one.
they're the ones with the blue top.
Oh. That's a milliliter, so then the yellow one's a...
Are either 100, 200s, or 10s, or no, 20s, or .25s.
This time,
We're almost out of tips. It's our last box.
This is the very last one?
Yeah, Shervin ordered some more, but it kind of sneaked up on us because nobody noticed that they all just magically disappeared.
you don't have to go. You don't know. You should have. Just
God.
what is for the song?
So we're adding the CTAB, and it's 1.88 milliliters. Yep,
So I
yep.
got the 1 milliliter with the 1 milliliter pipette and then 0.88 with our little universal.
Stop. Okay, I'm getting this image right here. Yeah, no, we'll have all this and I'll submit it tonight. I can send it to you in 30 minutes. And then we have till midnight tonight, so you can email it back to me and I'll just sign it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, sounds good. I haven't decided, I don't know.
And then you vortex it. Just like mix it together.
I'm vortexing it because I wanted to, I want the concentration of the CTAB to be right when I added the gold chloride because it's going to react with the gold chloride, etc.
Okay.
And make beautiful colors.
Hey, so I'm done with this.
Wait, can you show the gold to the camera again?
The gold.
Yeah, just like take it out a little bit. It's the gold Nanorods.
This is worth a lot of money.
Basically liquid gold.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Deliciously expensive, but don't drink it. Please don't. So I'm going to add 625 microliters of gold to the solution. after that, we go to the worst part, which is the sodium borohydride. The best. There was a color change. It became colorless fat. Anybody says it's just because it was the same as the other color. No,
But it's different.
It's darker. Need to wait just a little bit more time for the water to stay still because we have to have it in there for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Well, I could take it out at 10 and still get the same result. It's nicer to have it. I'm gonna now put this in the water bath. The reason why is because C-tab at room temperature begins to crystallize, and you recently had a problem whenever I make C, it starts to crystallize in solution, so the concentration is off. So I want it to be just right, so I'm gonna have it in that warm little bath.
So you try to keep it at the right temperature?
I'm trying to keep it at so it doesn't start crystallizing.
Yeah.
So
So
I
what
just
would
want to keep it just warm enough.
what was the temperature?
The very best temperature would be that one, 29. But this is fine because it's been diluted now.
Okay.
So it's already attaching to the gold.
It's not just C-tab?
Yeah. And C-tab, when it doesn't stick to itself that well, but when it binds the gold, you need more energy to actually. So it's good at this temperature.
Okay. I'm really sticky. So we're getting the
Sodium borohydride. We need 19 micrograms of sodium borohydride.
And what is this?
Sodium borohydride?
Like the box?
Box?
Yeah, this part.
Oh, this is to reduce resistance, air resistance. Oh, because look what happens if you put in air in here. Oh, it's not happening. Oh, it's now happening. There we go.
I don't think we can see the thing.
Oh.
Barely.
Well, whenever you disturb anything inside the box, this scale is so sensitive that it's sensitive to air. So we need it to be secure and
Got
safe. Where is that little bottle? Nope, that's not it. It lied to me. This might be it. Yeah. Sodium borohydride. Sorry.
You're fine. You got it? Oh.
Nope. Oh no, I did not get it. No, I wish. That would be awesome. This one's not the worst one. The worst one's ascorbic acid because it starts reacting with the paper and it gets stuck to the paper. This one does it too, but it takes longer. So we have a little bit more time with this one. It's great. But you react with the metal. We just need 2 more. I think that should be enough.
How are you doing?
Pretty good. We're making
Good.
a video.
Yeah, okay. Oh, you're taking a video now?
Uh-huh.
And that's Dr. K. He's
Hey,
in our
Dr. Ding.
lab.
So he's our superstar, right?
Yep.
No.
Nanorods star.
Nanorods star.
Okay, we are at 19. Finally. We're not at 19.
Almost.
Almost, we're so close. I hate it when the scale does that. It lies to me.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna put this right Let me go get the phone. No, this might be a problem.
You get it?
We took too long. It started reacting with the paper. Well, it started reacting with the water in the air and it started binding it to actual paper.
It's not coming off.
It's coming off, but I'm forcing it off.
Slowly.
Just a little bit more. Okay. Just got enough.
How come we don't centrifuge it or vortex it or whatever?
All the times we try to vortex it, the vortexing just makes it shake like this. But what you need to do is you actually need to move around so I can, because there's a lot of water. So the more you have it travel through the water, the easier it is for actually to dilute. So if you have it spin around, it'll dilute easier. Because I've tried it here a lot of times, and I'll hold it there for about 30 seconds. I'll bring it back. There's still a lot left. You can see right now it's already gone. It's off. Not sure. Nope, it's reacting in solution. Yeah, I'm gonna do this quick.
Ooh.
It happens every time.
So we're putting how many?
450 microliters of sodium borohydrate. It will dilute the sodium borohydrate into solution. And now it starts turning into a brownish color.
Instead of gold.
Yes.
Kind of. Or like yellower.
The yellowy gold color I had before. Vortex this. And this is what we get. Now this is going to incubate for the next 2 hours. And after 2 hours, it will be good for the next 2 days. After 2 hours, it's ready for use, and then in 2 days, it will expire. Because it formed little tiny spheres, and the spheres will get too large to where they can't be used for actually any
Bloated.
nanorods.
Okay.
So, yeah. You can tell when it expires by the color, because when spheres start to form, the solution becomes more pink and more pink and more pink. And when it's just like hot pink, it's bad. It's really bad.
Cool.
And that's all you would do.
That's it. I'm gonna sign and date it.